In today's TotalAV Tutorial 2024 edition, I'm going to show you everything from downloading and installing to sorting through the advanced features too. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an expert, this is a go-to guide for everyone. Let's go. Just a heads up, there will be two parts. First, we'll focus on Windows setup, and in the second part, I'll move on to the mobile versions. If you're here just to see the mobile tutorial, skip to the timestamp on screen now. Before we can start off this TotalAV guide, you'll need to have an account. I'm going to help you get the lowest price possible by leaving an exclusive discount in the description, or you can scan this QR code that's on screen right now too. Once you've chosen a plan that suits your security needs best, navigate back to the homepage and download the app. Next, you'll be prompted to start the installation process, which is just a matter of clicking a few next and agree buttons until everything is complete. For all you Mac OS users out there, this process is nearly identical, so it should be smooth sailing. After that's all done, you can now access the TotalAV dashboard right from your desktop. As you can see, the interface is minimalist and well organized. The scanning button is located right in the middle for fast access, and all the extra features and settings are on the left side. I'll go into detail about how to use all these tools later, but essentially the top button here is where your malware scans and protection status info is stored. The second button holds all the internet security features. The next one has system tuneup tools, and the final one is a password manager. I'd say the most useful part of this TotalAV beginner's guide is definitely learning to utilize the scanning tools. So let's go back to the top button. And from here, we can select malware scans, where you can see the different options. The quick scan briefly checks your device in places where viruses are commonly found, whereas the system scan does a thorough job at searching through every corner for threats. Now, the Smart Scan is a little different as it's able to not only detect malware, but also checks for other privacy, security, and performance issues. Lastly, the Custom Scan is an ideal option if you have, say, a single file or folder that you want to individually check for anything. Keep in mind, all these scanning features can be scheduled in advance for a preset time, so no need to worry about remembering to do it regularly. Now, extensive scanning options aside, another factor that's necessary to qualify as one of the best antivirus options is having great security features. TotalAV definitely checks this off as it comes with real-time and ransomware protection, both of which will monitor your device 24/7. Additionally, the app comes with a Web Shield feature that can also be installed as a browser extension. This adds an extra layer of protection against any privacy threats. And the Safe Search function grades every site before you click on it, just to ensure maximum security. The next security feature works twofold, as it helps to keep your device running smoothly and optimize performance. The System TuneUp tool does a great job at cleaning up any junk or duplicate files, as well as uninstalling unused apps. What I really like is that you can see exactly how many excess files were removed, and just how much space was saved. What's more, TotalAV even has a browser cleanup option, which manages your history and cookies, ensuring that third parties won't be able to access that info. All of those features are fantastic, but the factor that truly makes TotalAV one of the best antivirus 2024 options is its independent testing results. AV Test checked the app from head to toe and publicly announced the results. This security software received an impressive 6 out of 6 in both protection and usability, and 5.5 points in performance. All right, so those were the main features you'll be using on a weekly basis. But if you scroll down to settings here, there are some more detailed functions. For the most part, this is all very straightforward, and I'd advise keeping the majority of these toggles always enabled to ensure round-the-clock protection. So as you can see, the app is ready to protect every corner of your device from multiple kinds of threats. However, there are also a few additional features included that really amp up the overall value TotalAV brings. If you navigate back to the Internet Security tab, you'll see a fully functioning VPN as well as an ad blocker. Figuring out how to use TotalAV's VPN is pretty simple. Just choose from their list of various server options. Then, with the click of a button, you'll appear to be in that country's location. And the ad blocker works smoothly at blocking ads, trackers, and pop-ups. You can find the final bonus feature on the fourth button from the top, which is actually a really useful password manager. If you need to store any passwords or sensitive data, this watertight vault is the ideal solution. And that is basically it for using TotalAV on desktop devices. The app ensures that you're fully protected from any threats while being really user-friendly and including plenty of additional features. Okay, downloading and installing the TotalAV mobile app is essentially the same process for both Android and iOS users. Head over to the App Store and download it as you would any other app. After that, you'll need to just log into your account. Again, to grab the lowest price possible on any of TotalAV's subscriptions, be sure to scan this QR code that you see on the screen right now. Keep in mind that though the Android app comes with pretty much every feature that the desktop has, the iOS version is missing a few things. Right at the top, you'll find the security scan button. From here, you'll be able to scan all your apps for any threats. This also comes with real-time protection, so minute by minute, you can see if any malware has been detected. As you can see, the VPN is very straightforward to use on mobile devices. There are plenty of different server locations to choose from, and with the click of a button, you can switch between as many as you'd like. Alright, the device tuneup tool does a great job at cleaning up any junk files or duplicate folders. This not only helps to clear up tons of space, but keeps your device running smoothly. Now, both the Web Shield and Wi-Fi checker features are really efficient ways to stay safe while browsing online. Web Shield checks for any malicious sites before you click on them, and the Wi-Fi checker quickly monitors your network to ensure it's legit and safe. A great option if you frequently use public Wi-Fi. Another thing I appreciate about TotalAV is their inclusion of the data breach checker. This will monitor the web and let me know if my email address has been compromised, so I can take action ASAP. So I can best sum up this TotalAV Tutorial 2024 edition by saying that it's by far one of the best antiviruses on the market. Its comfortable app provides all the security and protection you need to stay safe in 2024. The best way to get a feel for it is to try it out for yourself, so I'll be leaving a deal on screen. And if you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity updates, you can watch this video. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time.